Is Mi TV Stick worth buying? Let's evaluate. Yes, the My TV Stick is a great option if you're looking for an affordable way to turn any TV with an HDMI port into a smart TV. Priced competitively, it offers features like access to popular streaming apps, Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, etc., voice control via Google Assistant, and 1080p video output. Its compact plug-and-play design makes it easy to set up and use. However, compared to competitors like the Amazon Fire Stick or Roku Streaming Stick, the My TV Stick has fewer apps and less polished performance. It also lacks advanced features like 4K support or Dolby Vision, which are available on higher-end streaming devices. If you're on a budget and want basic smart functionality, the My TV Stick is worth considering. But if you need 4K streaming or a more robust app ecosystem, you might want to explore other options. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.